manager.
Exactly. And to make the first basket.
Lastimosa. Jello Razon fires. The kick out. Lastimosa for 3. Did not get the roll. Ruka Curve. J. Pido. Manalang for 3.
That's it.
Robbie Manalang.
Robbie Manalang.
12-3.
Rare.
Nice throw. Peña Redondo. Umatake. JJ. Pido. 3. Yes. Lumapit. Vizcara off the glass. Manalang. Down low to Himpayan. Squeezes through. A bit pressured by the crowd here.
And numbers. Kidding me with this crowd. Kahit hindi ka ganun kabilis.
Nino Canaleta. Helter Brand. Jumper. Inside. Nice pass. Got the step. No look pass. Sarang. 3 and Canaleta. Curva.
Nice pass.
In the third, Galliano, jumper,
Drop into a zone, 2-3.
Weston drives, fade away, yes.
They sent 2 people at him.
Ruka Curva, rebound, Himpayan, 2 points. O'Malley from way out. Jello Razon will lay it in. The kick out to Ruka Curva, swings it over to Manalang for 3. Peña Redondo, Pido gets into the lane. Olegario, the seam. Peña Redondo, 3. Yes. Jello on the drive. 3.
There you go.
Layup. Shot clock. Jello will pull up. Yes.
They had a lot of deflection. Steals led to
Kenny. Drop pass. Pido. The kick out. Robbie for 3. That's with Himpayan.
Ang drive at kick out. Manalang knocks it down.
Binigay kay Pingris. No look pass. KG cut. Pinoy Sakuragi.
Work hard to say, give it to me on the...
Razon drives. That's an awkward angle,
But then he doesn't settle. He attacks the defense. Probably wants to...
Mosa inside. Scores.
As you see, Udubo misses a...
Stop. Galliano from the free throw. Jello. Umatake. Razon off. That came up with here. Dito sa dulo.
That 9-0 run of the third after picking up his third foul. Now, why was that key? Plays were big for them to get this win.